Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to show you the tutorial how to set up your voice control features on your iPhone. And the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and to control the voice control features is just go to the settings. In the settings you just need to scrolling down until you found a Siri and search. In this Siri and search, just need to click it, and you just need to activate the Siri button. Click this and follow the instruction, enable the Siri, and now you just need to go click Hey Siri. You can also turn on them, and that's the way how to control your voice control on features on your phone. And now you can use the voice control on your phone by just saying Hey Siri, and the Siri will be responded to you. So that's all the way how to set up your voice control features on your iPhone. If you find out this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.